So today I'm transforming Nikita Dragon. She's in my old videos.
Hi Dragons, what's up? It's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel.
But I want to give her a makeover. I'm going to show y'all how to revive a wig. She's cotton candy pink, has the black roots, and we're going to turn her into Doja Cat. She has a lace front also, so here's her in all her glory. She is really cute, synthetic, heat resistant. So we're gonna give her a bath. We're gonna try to curl her. She's not that easy to curl, but I'm gonna do what it takes and see what happens. I'm gonna use Bellamy 6-in-1 complete curler. So we're gonna try those. We're gonna put it on 350, no more than that. We'll see. So as you guessed, we're gonna shower her in the tub. Why not? Pretty much rinse her. Rinse that bitch. Rinse her really good, because we're gonna dry her. And you guys, she's all rinsed with water. So I love Maui products. I got the conditioner, the bamboo fiber conditioner. Oh my god, if this would focus. For weak brittle hair. Also, I'm using the, damn it! I have the hair mask. But I ran out of the shampoo, so I only have a mask, conditioner. But I guess I'll use Pantene on her. Doesn't really matter, just wash her and use conditioner. That's the main thing. So we're gonna do all that. Hold on. Throw some shampoo in there. Oh my god. Gonna give her a bath, honey. So, pretty much, you give her a bath, and y'all know what to do. Just wash and wash and wash, and rinse and wash and rinse and wash. So I pretty much rinsed all the soap out, as you can see. Now we're gonna use the hair mask, just a little bit on the roots, everywhere pretty much. Then I'm running out of this conditioner, you guys. I love this conditioner. It smells like bamboo. Massage her in there and then just rinse her off. Okay, you guys, so you can throw a towel in your vanity or whatever in a little table. Grab a chair, grab a drink, and start drying her. First you want to pat her, like squirt all the water out, because if you just like hold her, all the water is gonna go in the floor and stuff. And we don't want that. We want to do it without making a mess, so your mama, your boyfriend, you don't get mad at yourself because you made a big old mess. So just be careful. So now I want her to look like Doja Cat. I can't crimp her because I don't have a crimper, but I want to do some spiral curls, make her look like she's kind of crimpy. The next step is we're gonna brush her out really careful from bottom to top. It's not like your hair. Even with my own natural hair, I brush bottom to top because you want to get the knots out from the bottom and work your way up. It's easier, especially with wigs. That's a rule. You have to start from the bottom. Okay, you guys, so I spread a towel on the bed. I think it's easier on the bed or couch, somewhere flat, or even on the ground. But I'm not trying to get my towels dirty. So I got this detangler. It was from Bellamy, but you can't even see it anymore. You can't. Anyways, I'm gonna just. It's easier if you hold the wig, to be honest, and just gently go ham on it. But I'm filming, so. And remember, guys, don't neglect the back. It's so much easier to brush now, but I'm starting from the bottom up. So now we're just gonna use the blow dryer, you guys. What I like to do is pretty much blow dry and comb, but I can't do that. Well, I need to get a mannequin head, you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, you guys, so here's the wig. I'm just gonna put it on because I don't have a mannequin head. I have a bun. Excuse my bun. So to start off, I'm gonna take my Bellamy 6-in-1 wand, and it comes with 6 wands. I'm taking the second thickest one, and of course this glove because I don't want to burn my hands. I'm sectioning my hair into sections and combing it with this detangler from Bellamy as well. So I'm pretty much just curling the hair inwards, some inwards and some outwards. I'm starting inwards, holding it for a few seconds, and then voila, you have a beautiful curl. I'm repeating this step again. It kind of fell off a little bit, but as long as you hold it, it'll create a pretty curl, you guys. And these don't have to be perfect because you wanna like let them cool off, and then you're gonna just brush them out. Well, that's what I want to do. I don't want really tight curls, but look how pretty they come out, you guys. So I filmed the rate freaking curls from this Bellamy pack. The trick is, this is a synthetic wig, you guys. The trick is we just blow dried it a little bit. Just have it a little damp, and then add the curl. If you feel like it dries too much, it's already dry, just go ahead and damp it, wet it again, and look at these beautiful bouncy curls. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole head, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the complete look. I curled her, and yeah, you give her a couple twists, like fix the bang if it's too curly or not too curly, or just make it your own, run your fingers through it. You can like separate them or put them together, give it a little twist and retwist the curl, and it'll stay. It's so cute. I love it. So we revived her. We went from Nikita Dragon to Doja Cat. Kind of, because Doja Cat's more of a crimp. There you go, you guys. Now I'm gonna throw on some makeup and we'll be good. But let me know if y'all want to see more wig transformations. This video is not sponsored by Bellamy. Hopefully it will one day. But yeah, here we go. This is the finished look. Love you guys.